Hi, this is Jessica, and I'm going to go through the instructions on how to use your media server account. And what you'll need to start with is having something like either FileZilla or CyberDuck to be able to store your records that you're going to be using in your academic advising resources shell. So I'll start with the location of the counselors and academic advising resources so that you can get to where the instructions are for accessing the media server account. So you'll see under section 3, how to book. We'll open that up and it's going to show you a number of, and we're going to go to the location of number 7, access your media server account. And then it says click here for instructions on how to use your media server account. So you'll choose that option and it'll bring up the PDF, and you'll want to go to the instructions for CyberDuck if you are using a Macintosh computer, or to FileZilla if you have a PC. So I'm going to go down here to page 6. CyberDuck. This is actually page 4. Correction, I actually went to page 4. On page 4, you will see the URL to go to the location to download FileZilla to your own computer. So here is the specific URL, http://2 filezilla-project.org/download.php. Once you get to this URL, you'll see the option to download Windows FileZilla 3.5.1. This is the one that's recommended. Choose this link. You'll see that you'll have the option to save the file. And then you can go to the download and open it up to have it start functioning on your computer. Choose Run. Choose I agree. Choose Next. Continue with Next. I would actually add a desktop icon. Choose Next. Choose Install. And the install process begins. Once the process is completed, you'll see this box come up, and then you can choose Finish with the checkbox for Start FileZilla Now. Finish. Choose the OK when this screen comes up. And here you will see FileZilla. This is the information you'll need to enter when you complete your This is how you configure your site manager for connection to media.lanecc.edu. In the host box, you need to type media.lanecc.edu. Under username, you need to enter your L number. Under password, you need to use the password that you use for registration for courses or to sign into Mylane. For port, you need to enter port 22. Then select Quick Connect. Should the unknown host key warning come up, it is still okay to say always trust this host and add this key to the cache. So this is what it will look like when you successfully connected to your media server account. This location here, file name, is where you will start adding files to live in the location. This is where you will add files to use for your Moodle academic advising resources. This concludes the tutorial for adding FileZilla to your desktop and also gaining access to your media server account. For future access to your media server account, you'll want to select your desktop icon for FileZilla client and enter the information for host, username, password, and port. Again, that is media.lanecc.edu, your L number, your password that you use to access Mylane, and your port. And that port number is 22. Then you'll select Quick Connect. That concludes this tutorial for the final time.